What's up, everybody? It's your boy Dave, back again with another video, and today we're going to talk about the bed, also known as the couch, bench, whatever you want to call it. It is homemade, that converts in 2 seconds into a full twin size bed. This is a 7-inch memory foam from IKEA. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check this out. I have a lip here just to avoid this thing from sliding out. In the front and the back, there's also another lip. I'll show you that in just a second. Very comfortable. This is customized outdoor fabric for the outside. This is professionally done by a seamstress. Very nice. It's very comfortable, very sturdy, can hold a lot of poundage. I've had some big people in here, and it's very solid with these brackets as well. So let me go ahead and take off all the pads and cushions so you can see what it looks like. From there, I'll take off the top platform so you can see what the frame looks like. Okay, so here it is without the cushions. I just drilled some holes in the platform itself for some ventilation. And over here is a clip just to hold that in place. It's not really necessary, but it's just an extra added security. So that's undid now, and all you have to do is pull on this guy, and now you have a full bed. So in order to go back from bed to couch, you just lift this part up here. Little difficult to do with one hand, and then you can clip that back in if you like. Let me show you the back. I'm just doing a deep cleaning here. This van is for sale, so I will be doing a full tour of the place once again for a new buyer. But if you're interested now and you watched all my videos and you know what my build is like with all the features and everything, you can hit me up on Instagram. It's Dave_OTG, or hit my business email. So as far as for the bed, here we go. A lot of support here, 2x6, 2x6 L brackets. These little notches here on both sides is gonna hold this clip here, right? And then on the platform itself, here we go. And here we go. Once it sits back down, that's where that clip is. This is what it looks like, guys. Very easy to get in and out of. Very, very strong and sturdy. I trust this. And it's been nothing short of amazing since I've lived in this. This bed alone is so damn comfortable. Bed and couch is incredibly comfortable, sturdy, yada yada. Now you have access to the entire trunk. It stops here, so it opens all the way, so you have access to everything here. So I know some people who have this 2x3 that goes all the way out here for some reason, for support. I didn't want to do that. The most support is going to be here, right? 2x6, 2x6 underneath, and then 2x6 over here as well. And then I have the feet for even more stability. And when it is extended, this is plenty stable. I've had weight distributed evenly. Even if you didn't, you sit on one corner, any corner you want, anywhere, and it's very solid. Okay, so this is the platform put back on. All you're gonna do is put this back, and it's gonna fit right in between this notch here, right? And that goes in now. On the other side, same deal, right? That notch is on the platform itself. Slides back down in here, get it into place, and then lock it in. And there you go. You can put a carabiner here if you want for added security, but it's very sturdy and stable. The mattresses don't fly around anywhere because of this lip. It stays put. So when you're laying down, squirming around like I do when I sleep, nothing moves around. It's perfectly solid. And then when you want it back into couch mode, the cushions separate. So by far, I think this is the best design that I could come up with my buddy Evan. And whoever is the new buyer, I hope you really enjoy this van. I know a lot of people that were emailing me and asking me about this bed. And now that I am going to be selling this van, I had a chance to deep clean it and show you guys what the frame looks like. I encourage you guys to build this. If you have any questions, please refer back to my other video. It's called How to Convert a Bed Couch or something like that. It's one of my earliest videos. So check that out. Again, thanks for everything, guys. If you like this video, go ahead and like the video, sub and comment and all that good stuff. Talk to you guys next time. Peace.